Hello friend, in this video we will lubricant the door of Mercedes in place where there is corrosion. Over time in this place, after rain or washing, and in general after being exposed to moisture, it manages to business here. This is what door looks like in this place of the jam seals. Friends, and before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like and put a bell so as not to miss a new video on the channel. As you can see, friends, the door is slowly starting to rust, and if you don't prevent all this, then soon you will have to change the door, paint it and polish it. For this, friends, you need to disassemble the ceiling jump. It's removed from the bottom. You don't need to pull it anywhere from the middle along the cuts. You just need to grab from the bottom and pull on yourself to remove the door from the edge. You need to pull carefully so as not to damage the jump using a screwdriver. Otherwise, it can stick to the door in place. This is how everything looks here. You need to clean all this with sandpaper in order to prevent further corrosion, and lubricant it with grease. Friends, this is a high quality, heat resistant grease that I still have after repairing a bearing. Here, as you can see, the place is so special that you can get here, and therefore I will lubricant as it goes. And thus, who knows the method? Write in the comment. It will be interesting to know your option. Friends, I will apply grease abundantly in order to prevent further destruction. Of course, everything here needs to be sanding, primed, paint with paint, varnish. All the same, there are old car and time takes its toll, but we do it for a while, and in the future we will have to completely renovate the body. I also decide to lubricate the ceiling jump. Since it's all kind of dry out and wooden, but after lubrication it will be more or less lively elastic, and putting it back in place will also be much easier. Ceiling rubber bands on a car door provide a noticeable increase in the level of comfort inside the cabin. As while driving interior waterproofing, the door seals prevent water from outside from entering the interior. Rain or the wet snow falling from above or falling down the body elements from the pedals on the road. Thermal insulation prevents of penetration of cold air in the winter and hot in summer in hot weather inside the cabin. Protection against drafts. Tie hermetic pressing of the seal by the door prevents draft at any time of the year, both while driving and when parking, protecting the health of passenger and the driver. Noise isolation. Reduce the noise level inside the cabin from outside sounds. Protection of doors and element of opening from them. Thresholds, pillar, and edges of the roof of the body, from where the seal makes the close of doors softly than without it. Absorbs oncoming traffic and provide protection against mutual contact of the surface of opening and doors during the game, deformation of the body while overcoming obstacles, hole bumps, askins, deskins, and other irregulation when drifting part of the car are at different levels of heat. With proper care, it prevents the door from freezing in winter, especially during long-time parking or parking with the engine off, which ensures that they can be opened quickly without damaging the seal and or door handles. Friends, now that everything is ready, we install the sealing rubber in the reverse order with using screwdrivers. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like and put a bell so as not to miss a new video on the channel.